In this episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about the mighty Cimex machine. It's been around since 1933, but it still leads the industry when it comes to commercial carpet cleaning. Stick around to find out why. So why does the Cimex continue to dominate the market for commercial carpet cleaning? Why is it still the king for commercial carpet care? Well, quite simply, its consistent results and unmatched productivity put it into a class all by itself. It has a 6.5 gallon tank. The drive platform turns at 400 RPM. There's no side-to-side torque, and it's very easy for a new technician to get trained and work with this machine and have zero problems. Head of the Cimex machine pivots, so it makes very consistent contact with the floor, even over uneven surfaces. The blue drive deck turns counterclockwise while the three heads spin clockwise. This enables the machine to address the carpet fiber from all directions, right and left, simultaneously. This produces unmatched agitation. Using the Cimex machine with a good encapsulation detergent like Releasit makes it possible to clean large commercial buildings quickly and efficiently. As you can see here, the operator just moves the machine forwards and backwards. Normally we make a wet pass that moves pretty quickly, followed by a slower dry pass. On the dry pass, we look for a light whitening on the surface of the carpet like you see here. You'll also notice that the operator is not concerned about bumping into the cord with the Cimex machine. The Cimex will actually push the cord out of the way, unlike a rotary machine or a CRB machine that will actually wrap the cord up and pull it into the machine. This makes it very safe for even an inexperienced operator to work with the Cimex machine and get consistent results. Be sure to visit Excellent Supply, where we can hook you up with a Cimex and Releasit and help you to max your Encap. Thanks for watching this episode of Encap TV. Have a great day.